Presidente da República, Gerard Horta, ao encontro com Stanley Summit, o Global Senior Director Strategic Partnership, o Hametin Serviço Mútuo com a Seguransa Aihan no Nutrisaun.
Quarta-feira, semana e Palácio Presidencial, Diretor Strategic Partnership, Stanley Summit afirma, e encontro colheu com isso balão com a Seguransa Aihan, liga a proteção social. No ato continua suporta Timor-Leste, assunto reduz segurança Aihan, no Nutrisaun e a Timor-Leste. Além de colhemos com o desafio nebe agora da hasoro, assunto global niang, hanesam preço fos, nebe saimakas, no mos setor agricultura niang, atu Timor-Leste mos fo advocacia e a nível global, recolha mobiliza recurso ruma ba Timor, no nação selok.
WP headquarters in Rome for several reasons. One, to thank the President for his being such a strong supporter and champion for issues related to food sovereignty, food security, nutrition, and addressing poverty. Also to express our appreciation for his agreeing to be a global champion on issues related to social protection in his forthcoming visit to Rome to help galvanize opinion and support on social protection. And then thirdly, to offer our continued help, our country director here, for support to East Timor in addressing the challenges that the new government has prioritized.
Reportagem Serlia Rauso, Benigna Norris, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba Emma Roto. Atuatena informação atual dia Clio, que tá halua. Haneha botão subscribe, like, halo comentário, no faz botão ba mídia social Roto.